Renovated and the best priced in the Meadows. This villa has to be seen to be believed. So I've actually just even congratulated the owners on a fabulous renovation. So if you're looking for a hassle-free move in immediately, 4-bedroom family villa, beautiful garden, really nice quiet plot in the center of Meadows, then this house is for you. And I know I'm starting here in the master bathroom because the renovation just is absolutely beautiful in every single room. So look at this, just gorgeous, right? So you've got a walk-in shower, his and hers sinks, all beautiful marble, lovely wooden flooring. You've got a lovely walk-in wardrobe there. And then this is the master bedroom, okay? So we've got, this is one of 4 bedrooms upstairs. Really, really nice. And I'm just gonna take you outside because there's even a little balcony out here, which, by the way, you can build on and close and make even larger if you wanted upstairs. And then this is your garden downstairs here. And it's just so beautiful. In fact, if I don't speak, you can hear the wildlife. It's absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice. It's a really nice, quiet neighborhood. Remember, for those of you watching that may not know, the Meadows is one of the very first communities, villa communities, built by Ema over 18 years ago, okay? So that's why people love it here, because it's really established in terms of the landscaping and trees. So here we are. This is the master bedroom. We've been inside the bathroom and we've seen the walk-in wardrobe. So let's go on and carry on through the house. So we walked up the stairs here. We'll go down there in just a minute. So just such a lovely open light feel. This could be another bedroom. It's currently being used as a study, but that would be bedroom 2 upstairs. And then you've got bedrooms 3 and 4 that share this fabulous bathroom. So yes, it's very much a family bathroom. And there's one of the bedrooms, really nice and spacious with all the cupboards. And you've got the huge balcony out the front. So that's this bedroom here. And then the 4th bedroom upstairs, again, really nice and spacious. Here we go. And this massive, massive balcony area. Okay, so you've seen the upstairs of the 4 bedrooms. So that's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. They share an ensuite, study stroke bedroom 3, and the master bedroom. So this, and also this is a family lounge upstairs, potentially for more space. So let's go down. And I absolutely love these Spanish steps here. Even like it feels so nice on the feet. Here we have it. So this is the upstairs and the downstairs with this architectural feature with the glass. So we walk on down and here is the main living area. All fully open plan, large expansive space, and your living area, absolutely gorgeous. Straight out to the garden with bifolding doors. Oh, I can feel the heat. So here's your garden, it's all gated off. Now they haven't put a swimming pool in, but you could do. You've got a lovely pagoda area here. And again, it's becoming more and more common, this fabulous artificial grass, which again, in this climate in the Middle East, you do not really want real grass because it's a headache and it's a lot to water. So here you have it. You can see the house in its entirety. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And I really do feel like I'm in the middle of the countryside in England with the birds screeching around. It's gorgeous. So let's go back in the main house. This is the living area. Love this wooden flooring. And here was the main door. We walked in. So that's the main front door. And then if we just come on round. Now this area has been opened up, but you could close this to make it a bedroom 5 downstairs if you wanted. But this is actually a family room, which is really, really nice. And then check out this kitchen, isn't it gorgeous? That's what I mean. You can literally move in and it's all here done for you, brand new. So it's a Fulgur stove here from Milan, Italian. European kitchen. I love that underfloor lighting there as well. And that sink, the traditional sunken sink there as well. And then if we come in through here, you've got the laundry area. Here's the laundry area, and then the maid's room is in there with a bathroom. And then outside, you've got the garage there for the 2 cars. So that is the villa in its entirety. So if you would like some more details, which is this villa, or want to come and do a viewing of this villa, then get in touch with me. The details, as always, are at the bottom of this video description. You'll see the built-up area, you'll see the plot, you'll see the price in dirham, pounds, euros, and dollars. And even if you don't have a bank account in Dubai, we help you move your monies across through the lawyers. We've been doing it since COVID and way before even. So, that's not a hassle. There's always a way, there's always a solution to help you easily facilitate the movement of your monies to purchase a property here in Dubai. We're very much looking forward to welcoming you to this villa, or perhaps another one here on my YouTube channel. Press the subscribe button, and remember, if you don't have a subscribe, you're never going to see the next properties coming up. We've also got off-plan properties for sale coming up for launch. So at the end of the day, there's a lot of choice, but let's get in touch, let's have a chat, and I can nail you a house within 20 minutes, whatever you want. Take care, and as always, thank you for watching.